Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add audible narration to Kindle ebook. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your web browser and sign into your Amazon account, and the same account of course linked to your Audible membership, and go ahead and search for Kindle Book, the Kindle book that you want to add audible narration to. So let's go ahead and open Kindle search bar and Amazon Kindle. Page is opening right up. So let's go ahead and search for the Kindle book you want to add audible narration to. So could be whispers. Sorry, I'm just going to use search. So this is the book, this is the Kindle book that I want to add an audible narration to. So you're going to have to click on the book to open the book's product page. And once you get into the products page, you have to confirm that the book supports whisper sync for voice. Yes, you're going to have to confirm that the book supports whisper sync for voice. And so how do you know that? You would know that by checking right under the book, and you have this virtual voice sample. And if you also check here, you'll see add an audiobook with virtual voice for so and so amount. So that's how you know that it has whisper sync for voice enabled. Okay, so on eligible titles, like you see an option labeled add audible narration, which we have here, or audio narration, audiobook or audible beneath. And if you don't see this option, it means audible narration is not available for this edition. Now, if you haven't purchased the Kindle ebook yet, you're just going to have to select the Kindle format. Ensure it's in the Kindle format, not audiobook format. So select Kindle format, then check this box that has add an audiobook with virtual voice. So once you do that, you see the discounted audiobook price will appear if the title is eligible. There you go, for 1.99. Once you're done, just go ahead and click buy now with one click to purchase both the Kindle ebook and audible narration together. If you already own the Kindle ebook, you can return to its Amazon product page and select add audible narration and click buy now with one click to purchase only the audible narration companion. Now the audiobook will automatically be added to your Audible library. After the purchase is complete, open your Audible library and confirm that the audiobook appears in your collection. To enjoy synchronized reading and listening, download or open the same Kindle book in the Kindle app, and open the audiobook in the Audible app or the Kindle app. If the title supports whisper sync for voice, your reading and listening progress will stay synchronized automatically across supported devices. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.